I'm always yapping about Claude Code, but today we're going to check out Claude Design. We're going to play around with it, give it my website. Let's see what happens. So if you're on Claude Pro, Max, Teams, or Enterprise, you're going to find it down here. You're going to click Design, and then it's going to take you to this page. On this page, click on Design System, and then it's going to ask you to either provide your GitHub repo with your website connected to it, or it gives you the option to upload your directory, like if your website's on your computer, to upload that. And what this does is give Claude access to your UI UX, which is basically your front end design, as well as your brand, who you are, what you do, what you're representing. So first, let's head over to my website, right? We gotta make sure that we get the essence of my website. We get the greens, the blues. Look at my design system, look at the big brain, right? Let's capture this, let's take this in, because we're testing, right? So look at my font, look at my colors, the greens, the blues, like I said, black background, font in particular, and let's go and check out what Claude Design did. Okay, so now we're back on Claude Design, and as you can see, it says Mstimaj's design system. We're going to click in, and we're going to go through these tabs. Look at that. That's on point. That's my website right there. Let's look at the typography. This is good. On point. All my little containers throughout my website, my little tags. That's it. The grays, it captures the blacks, the grays, some of the light colors, the greens and the blues, like I said before. Everything's looking good so far. So the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna give Claude a prompt to create stuff for us, because that's the point. You give it your design system so that it can create things for you, right? They're trying to shift out Canva, I guess. I mean, they coming for Canva. I heard some tea, but you didn't hear it from me. Anyway, let's move on. Okay, so we're back at the main page or the home screen, and it's giving us an option to either select prototype, slide deck, from template. We're going to go with side deck, and we're just gonna name it Mstimaj. And it's already under here, it's already selected. My design system is already selected, but if you had a couple other design systems, they would show up under here. So we're gonna just go ahead and click create. Okay, now I already have a prompt set up. I set it up with Claude. So I'm going to copy and paste it here. What I'm asking for is for Claude to create a 6-slide service deck for Mstimaj Tech and AI LLC. In the deck, so the slides will include a cover, who I help, services offered, pricing tiers, how it works, and a book a call CT. So we're just gonna send it because this is test, right? We're just gonna be a little crazy. Just send it. Let's see what happens. So look at this, guys. This is the cover, how to think with AI. I think it looks pretty cool. AI consulting, web development, and automation built for non-technical entrepreneurs who want to adopt AI the right way, not the loud way. Let's click through this. Okay, who I work with: solopreneurs, small business owners, creatives, and coaches. Let's move on. 3 ways I help you put AI to work. I think this looks beautiful. It matches. Now this I would fix the 3rd slide because some of the things like the text and the font, they don't look too good. They look too big, so I would go back. Now if you need to fix, there's a chat right here, so you could just prompt it to fix sections. But let's continue looking. So how it works, decent. I'd probably tweak this a bit. Let's keep going. Book a session. This is a pretty cool slide deck. I'm impressed. And I just want to be transparent that at every stage, it took a few minutes for Claude to work. So it didn't happen instantly, right? So if you're going to test this out, know that you're going to have to give it like 5 minutes or so to process everything. But this matches my design system from my website. So that is exactly the point. The images too are actually from images that I don't use on my website, but I generated them. So, I mean, come on, guys. I think Claude got something going on, right? Maybe I should start talking about the browser and the desktop and not just Claude Code. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. I'm impressed. Like always, guys, over here, it's forward, upward, and onward. I get excited about tech. I get excited about AI, and I'm here to take you along the ride with me. So go ahead and hit that subscribe. Come on. Come on. All right. This is good. I like it.